What's up guys? I haven't seen you in a while. I've been quite busy at work, and also I bought a new camera, GoPro Hero 9, so I was waiting for some accessories to arrive and I wanted to check the best settings for vlogging, so it took me a while. But anyway, today is a lovely weather and I have taken you to a very special spot, one of my favorite places near Dublin. It's a coastal village called Skerries, located in the eastern part of Ireland. It's about 30 kilometers from Dublin, and if you look on the map, it resembles a thumbs up. How to get there? You can get bus 33A from Abbey Street, and it will take you approximately 1 hour or a little bit longer to get into Skerries. The things that you can do in Skerries are: you can walk through the beach, you can have a picnic, you can go to the harbor and watch the seals, or you can do some sports like kayaking, but at the moment these activities are not available because of the lockdown. And there are some lovely restaurants as well, but they are closed at the moment. However, if you happen to be here when the restaurants are open, my choice would be either Stoop Your Head. Stoop Your Head is an authentic small restaurant with a nice view to the sea. The other place is the Blue Bar. Both places have a very pleasant atmosphere and delicious food. At the moment, you can order takeaways from these places after 4 p.m. So this is another option. You can take the food and have it at the beach. Anyway, let's have a walk now.
Try.
This is the coastal street where most of the restaurants are, as well as the harbor. Look at the seal, he's so cute. There were a couple of more over there. And the birds are fighting for the fish. This is the blue bar.